Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change stadium capacity using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024, so you can upgrade stadium instantly in this game. Before we start, I made this video is for a beginner and new into this game, how you can create your own tactic here, or you can build up your formation, or you can manage your player and also the finance of your club. And also you can get this game for free if you make a subscription in Netflix app, so you can directly install this game from Netflix. It's free. And let's get started. Tap your club, tap the first team, and tap the edit button here, the yellow one. So tap the facilities here. I'm using Manchester United as my club, so my stadium is Old Trafford. You can change your stadium capacity here, like average attendance, also minimum and maximal attendance. So for example, just tap this. As you can see, my stadium capacity is increased, and also average attendance here, minimum attendance and maximum attendance. So please free to try. There was synchronized between the stadium capacity and the finance. So the more capacity, the maximum capacity attendance, the more money or the more profit income into your club. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.